Hello everyone and welcome back to the latest installment of our vlog. Today we are standing outside of our brand new project. We're going to call this one Syosset 3. If you follow along on Instagram, you'll be actually able to track the progress daily. So here's the plan. We're going to take this house down to the studs. We're going to reconfigure the whole second floor. There was a rear addition that was started but not finished. There's a side addition that was started but not finished. And we bought it with 3 open permits. We're going to take care of all the old stuff. And we're going to bring you what you've come to expect from Pinnacle Build. All new mechanicals, all new plumbing, down to the stud, full renovation, new insulation, new sheetrock, all new floor plan. Let's go inside so I can show you just how bad this house is. And then we're going to take a look at the property. It's totally overgrown, but all I see here is potential. The old owner had to build this giant concrete ramp to accommodate his son who had special needs, and we're gonna have to take this whole thing out. We're gonna reconfigure this whole front porch with a portico. We're gonna cut this back, perhaps make a little bit of a covered porch here, and all this is gonna come out. So far, we haven't even done any demo inside. We've already taken 2 containers of garbage out of here, and this ramp alone is probably 10 to 15 yards of solid concrete by itself. Just this ramp and stoop will cost me about $1,000 to demo. Let's go inside. There's a lot of work to do here, and this is exactly how we bought it. We haven't done anything yet. This is an expanded ranch that was extended but not really finished, and now it's time to really bring this up to 21st century standards. We're gonna knock this whole wall out and put a giant flush header over here where we're gonna have our open concept living and dining room. Now let's come back this way towards the foyer. We're gonna leave these coat closets. We're gonna redo this entryway over here. And this is where it gets kind of crowded. So we're gonna knock this wall down. There's a doorway over here. Let's give the camera a second for the light to adjust. This staircase goes up to the second floor, but we're gonna blow this all out and make this an open staircase, which is what you've come to see with most colonials. Open this up. And this is where it gets kind of interesting. They did a huge rear extension off the kitchen, so there's really no point to keep the kitchen here anymore. So we're gonna blow this wall out. Another giant beam is gonna be installed here. We're just about done with the permits for the rest of the renovation. And then believe it or not, this is gonna become our new kitchen. We're gonna knock this wall down. We're gonna take some of the space for the family room. We're gonna have a big L-shaped kitchen with an island and a big family room. So in between, you'll have a breakfast area, kitchen, family room, and this whole rear wall of the house is gonna be coming down. This basement is nothing short of a complete disaster. Probably have at least 2 dumpsters of garbage down here. But when we bring you back here, when this house is done, this exact basement is gonna be a wide open, tiled, bright and airy basement with HVAC, washer, dryer, brand new electrical, outside entrance, new windows. We're gonna strip everything back to the concrete, waterproof, repair any cracks, and make sure that this basement will give the new owner decades of good use. Everybody's got a different situation, so we try to build our houses to be as accommodating to as many different groups of people as possible, and this house is the ideal setup for a multi-generational family. We've got a full bath here, living room, dining room, family room behind us. We already told you about the kitchen reconfiguration. And we've got 3 bedrooms on this floor, 1, 2, and 3. One of these bedrooms is an ensuite. One could be an office for working from home. But in total, we're gonna have 6 bedrooms, 3 on this floor, 3 upstairs, 4 full baths. And of course, you always have the potential to add another bathroom in the basement for the future. Now let's go upstairs so I can show you the rest of the space. Obviously, all of this is getting redone. It's all coming out. So as it is right now, we've got 2 bedrooms, a full bath, and really for any future homeowner, this is not really a viable space. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna blow the whole back wall of this house out. And remember that area that I showed you that we're gonna be moving the kitchen into? We're gonna extend over that kitchen on the second floor and build a huge primary suite, maintaining these 2 bedrooms and finishing this bathroom. We let the homeowner leave all their old belongings behind, and you can really see that this project was never 100% finished. Carpet was just kind of laid on the floor, no casing, no moldings. All these windows are a waste. Everything's got to come out. We need egress windows in all the bedrooms. So, unfortunately, this ill-conceived, half-finished project was really just a big waste of money. Now let's go outside so I can show you the rest of the property where some more magic is going to happen, especially in that backyard. So We're on a busy road. The circular driveway is gonna help us a lot. And the backyard is actually very quiet. We just started cleaning up a little bit so we can get some trucks back here. But as you can see, this is seriously overgrown. We've got thousands of dollars of tree removal ahead of us and thousands of dollars of garbage that was left back here that needs to be cleaned up. Got an old tractor under here. We had to dig up the footing so that the engineer could see that there's a footing to support a second floor here. This old deck's gonna come out. All this extra dirt's gonna get scraped down. I'm gonna leave some of these big, beautiful oak and maple trees, but the rest of this is all gonna get cleaned out, graded. The property's over 200 feet deep, and what looks like a complete disaster right now is going to be something beautiful when we're done. If you're familiar with the house we just finished in Syosset, this is pretty much what it looked like, plus a big rotting old pool. That was a bank foreclosure. This was a house that was just dilapidated and in poor condition from the old owner, open permits, lots of garbage, lots of headaches. But these are the kinds of projects that we look for, and this is when we can really flex our muscle and show you what kind of transformations we're really capable of. The bigger the property, the more the headaches. And this place is really full of lots of surprises. Check out all this garbage. We've got a half-rotting car over here. We've got all this overgrown shrubbery, an old car hood, a lawnmower. I mean, like, what is this? This is some like standalone tarped shed kind of contraption with cinder blocks and rope holding it together. Look at all the junk in here. Come over here, check this out. When we're all said and done, this property is going to be manicured to complete perfection. Sod, sprinklers, PVC fence, regraded, all cleaned up. We're going to try to save as many of these trees as possible, trim them, and kind of shape them up because they'll provide tons of wonderful shade in the summertime. But on that note, I've got my work cut out for me. Let me get back to work. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed to this channel, please do so. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, @Pinnacle Real Estate is my handle. We put content like this out every single day. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.